Good morning, everyone. First of, first of all, thank you for the opportunity to present my research at the fourth International Conference of Electronic Representation and Algorithm. My name is Robiul Endra from BINUS Graduate Program, Doctor of Computer Science. Today, I will be presenting a project titled Machine Learning Based Image Classification of Lampung Tapis Cloud Pattern using CNN. Let me begin by introduction the context of this study. Lampung province is located at the southern tip of Sumatra Island, Indonesia. It is a region rich in cultural heritage and one of the most iconic symbol of its culture is tapis cloth or fabric. Tapis is a traditional woven fabric, often embroidered with golden thread with reflect deep symbolic meaning and traditional identity. In recent years, we have seen rapid advancement in pattern recognition driven by progress in computing, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. One key area of development is image classification, which is widely used in various applications from object detection and face recognition to medical imaging. In the context of tapis cloth, the pattern can be classified into two main categories. Traditional pattern, which carry historical and cultural significance, and modern pattern, which are inspired by traditional design but are often modified for commercial or contemporary purposes. As the line between traditional and modern tapis cloth become increasingly blurred, we need technology that can automatically recognize and classify the original traditional tapis pattern. This is important for culture preservation, authentication, and education. Fortunately, with the advancement of pattern recognition technology in the textile industry, we now have the tools to develop intelligent systems that can distinguish between these different fabric patterns just from digital image. However, despite the progress in this field, there is still very limited research focusing on pattern recognition of Lampung Tapis fabric. This creates a strong opportunity and motivation for conducting this study. Problem statement: manually recognizing traditional tapis pattern from modern adaptation is not an easy task. It requires deep knowledge of culture, element, and visual pictures, something not easily scalable. That is why we need a machine learning based solution that can perform the text automatically and accurately. Moreover, the objective of this research is to design and evaluate a machine learning model, specifically using convolutional neural network (CNN) to classify digital image of lambung tapis cloth pattern with high accuracy. In this study, we collected a dataset consisting 1,915 images of tapis cloth. This image represented 9 different classes, including patterns such as tapis Raja Medal, tapis Tuho, tapis Laut Silung, and other. The image include GPG, GPEG, and PNG. We perform image processing and augmentation, which are crucial for improving model performance. The proposing step include resizing all image to 2000 by 2000 pixel, applying rotation at 40 degree, vertical flip, horizontal flip, zoom, and shift transformation. Split data set, 80% training data, 90% validation, 9 tested data, and evaluation and performance review, accuracy, precision, recall, advanced scores, confusion metric. For that, example dataset of Tapis fabric image with various pattern. And then in figure, dataset distribution. We design and test three different CNN input. Each model includes multiple convolutional and pooling layers, followed by descent layers and drop layers to reduce overfitting. For example, model 1 consisted of three convolutional layers, max pooling after each convolutional, and flattened layer followed by this denser layers of 128 unit and output layer of 9 class. Model 2 and Model 3 introduce deeper densest layer up to 2050 56 unit and 512 unit and additional drop layer for better regularization. After training and testing the model, we evaluate the performance using standard metrics: accuracy, precision, recall, advanced score, and convention metric. Here are the results. Model 1 achieved accuracy 88%, precision 84%, recall 88%, F1 score 85%. And Model 2 achieved slightly better result with accuracy 89%, precision 89%, recall 89%, F1 score 88%. And Model 3 produced results similar to Model 2. The TIS metric indicated the CNN is highly effective for classification Tapis pattern from digital image. Based on the result, we found the all three CNN model achieve performance above 87%. However, there are still currently places within the dataset that show lower classification performance. This could be due to visual similarity between certain pattern, limited number of samples for specific classes, high complexity in motif structure. For future research, we plan to test alternative CNN architecture such as VGG16, VGG19, ResNet, and MobileNet. This architecture may offer better feature extraction and generalization capabilities, which can lead to higher classification accuracy and more robust perform accuracy of classes. The conclude this study demonstrated that CNN-based image classification can be effectively applied to recognize Lampung Tapis growth pattern. The result achieve high accuracy and show great promise is supporting culture preservation through modern technology. We hope the research can inspire further studies in heritage-aware machine learning and its application in the textile and visual art recognition. Thank you. Thank you very much for your attention.